Assalamu alaikum. My name is Naeem Abbas. I am from Labs Binyameen campus. Today I deliver a lecture on page number 23, properties of addition, properties of subtraction. Number 1. The sum of two natural or whole numbers remain unchanged if the number interchange their places. For example, 0 plus 12 is equal to 12 and 12 plus 0 is equal to 12. Then 0 plus 12 is equal to 12 plus 0. The answers are equal. You can check in your example. The second example, the sum of three numbers remain unchanged if the order in which they are grouped in altered. For example, 2 plus 3 bracket close plus 7 is equal to 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. This is called the associative properties of addition. Then subtraction. Then properties of subtraction. Point 1. If a natural or whole number is subtracted from another natural or whole number, the difference may not always be natural or whole number. If the number is subtracted from another number larger than or equal to, the result is natural or whole number. In all other cases, the result is not a natural or whole number. For example, you can check in your example, 12 minus 5 is equal to 7 and a whole number as a 12 greater than 5. Then you can check 5 minus 5 is equal to 0, a whole number as 5 is equal to 5. But 7 minus 12 is equal to minus 5. The closure property does not apply subtraction. Second property of subtraction. The result of subtracting a natural or whole number from another is not the same if the numbers are interchanged. For example, you can check in the example